Hi everyone, this is question number 7 in chapter 2. We have to find the first derivative for each of the following function. So we just go straight using the formula to find this. So the first one, when y equals to 6x squared, dy by dx, we just need to bring down the power and put down to the front. So 6 times 2, x to the power of 2, we have to reduce the power by 1. So we have 12x to the power of 1. Okay, as for b, to find the dy dx, okay, we take 4 down to the front. So 4 times with negative x to the power of 4 minus 1. Always reduce the power by 1. So we have negative 4x to the power of 3. Next, now before we differentiate this, let's write this in fractional index. So we have negative x to the power of 4 over 3. Okay, therefore dy by dx, we bring down the index to the front. Okay, multiply with this 4 over 3, and remember to always minus 1 from the original index. So we will have negative 4 over 3 x to the power of 4 over 3 minus 3 over 3. So we have to the power of 1 over 3. So that's it for part C. And for part D, y equals to negative 2. Always write in the index form a to the power of n. So if we have the variable in the denominator, bring it up and write it in x to the power of negative 2. Okay, therefore dy dx will be, bring down the power, negative 2 to the front of the whole term, copy everything, and remember to minus 1 from the index of x. So all in all, we will have positive 4x to the power of negative 3. So that's it for the first derivative for question number 7.